Welcome to the future of regulatory affairs. Meet Elly, your personal regulatory affairs assistant who is revolutionizing the way you interact with medical device regulations and guidelines globally. Elly is here to empower your daily regulatory activities like reading regulations or guidances, help writing documents for submissions, supporting and developing new projects, and many more. Query any questions, upload your documents, and engage in deep conversations about regulatory complexities. What problems does Elly solve? She masters the almost endless global requirements thanks to the power of AI. She understands the complexity and terminologies of different regulations and laws. She eliminates language boundaries that can significantly reduce time and costs for regulatory professionals. And of course, she is always up to date. What makes Elly so unique? At first glance, Elly looks like a normal chatbot, but Elly is more than just that. Elly is trained on thousands of laws, regulations and guidances from the main authorities like FDA, Health Canada, Anvisa, European Commission, and many more you can directly communicate with. Using Elly is straightforward. Just type in your question into the query bar and you will get responses immediately afterwards. And the best part is that you get the links to the relevant documents after each query. In this way, you will find documents much faster, and you can validate your queries on your own. But this is not all. Elly can do much more for you. Imagine you have received a huge document that takes you many hours to read and understand. With Upload Own Documents, Elly will read and analyze the content of the uploaded document and provide insights, clarifications, and even specific answers to your questions about the document. How can you do that? Just click on the folder icon to access your document library. Create a folder and upload your document there. After uploading, you can start a conversation with a specific document by clicking on the text symbol. By the way, you also can create product-specific folders and upload multiple documents into this folder. In other words, you can create your own knowledge base for your products or whatever your use case is. By doing so, Elly will be trained on these documents and become your personalized assistant. Another great feature is Improve Your Prompt. To get the best responses and results from Elly, the queries you type in must be very clear and with enough context. That can be challenging and time-consuming. But thanks to Improve Your Prompt, you can type in your question and Elly makes your query more precise and ensures you get the most relevant and accurate information. How does it work? Write down a question and then click on the Improve Your Prompt button. After clicking, Elly will immediately optimize your question. And yes, you can change the text on your own before sending it to Elly. And finally, Elly has the super helpful News feature. Whenever a new or updated regulation or guideline is added to Elly, it will be listed under News. This helps you stay up to date in the always changing regulatory landscape. By clicking on the News button, you can communicate directly with a specific document or search for specific regulations. I would say this is super helpful stuff that Elly can provide to you, isn't it? Say goodbye to language barriers, time and cost-consuming research, and reading of hundreds of documents. Just query and get helpful responses and links in seconds. Test Elly now with our 3-day free trial and feel the power and potential of Elly and how she can simplify your regulatory life. Go to regulationagent.com and start today. The future is now.